the mouse, that famous mouse. Some say he's goofy, some say mighty in the house. He loves the park with the rides that fly, but there's a secret snack he can't deny. The finest grilled cheese you'll ever see, golden, gooey, legendary. But thanks to Buzz Cooks, you don't need a plane. No East or West Coast food court lane.
Are you ready to get started on this amazing grilled cheese sandwich that's famous at that famous park? All right, we're going to start with the filling first. One big scoop of creamy cream cheese, a couple of tosses of shredded cheddar cheese, pinch of salt, mix it all up, and set that to the side. Next, we don't use butter. Our spread is made out of mayonnaise, so we're going to put a nice good sized scoop of mayonnaise or two in there. Next, we're going to come back with about a clove of garlic. I'm using the paste, so 1 squirt. And then we're going to add some salt. We'll mix that up. That'll be our topping that we spread on the bread instead of butter. Now we're going to need 2 nice slices of sourdough bread. Artesian style is what I got. So we'll lay out our bread. Now we're going to come back with 2 slices of provolone on each piece of bread, and then 2 slices of American cheese on each piece of bread, just like so. Now we're going to come back with our spread that we made with the cream cheese and cheddar cheese, and we're just going to spread that on 1/2, just like that. And get that as even as you can. I'm telling you, everybody's going to love this sandwich. It is amazing. Kids especially. Wow. Hey, while I'm finishing this up, please share, like, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put a new one out every Sunday and every Wednesday. Appreciate y'all very much. Hey, if you can hit that hype, that would be great. And hit that bell to stay up to date. Alright, so we're going to put the lid on. Just like that. Boom. Now we're going to put our spread on 1/2 of the sandwich. You're going to want to use a non-stick frying pan if you have one. And we're going to cook this on medium-low heat. Low and slow. You don't want to rush this. You want to get it golden brown, but you want to give it time for the cheeses on the inside to really melt and become gooey and chewy. So we'll get our pan going on the heat, and we'll gently set our sandwich down. Spread side first. There we go. Then we'll put the spread on the other side. So once that is nice and golden brown, we'll flip it to the other side, get that nice and golden brown. Then we'll put this on the cutting board, let it sit for a minute or two, cut it in half, and you'll see the chew as you pull that cheese apart. It is amazing. Hey, make this for your family, your kids, everybody. It's really a winner. That creamy inside is just out of the park. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
You know the mouse, that famous mouse. Some say he's goofy, some say mighty in the house. He loves the park with the rides that fly, but there's a secret snack he can't deny. The finest grilled cheese you'll ever see, golden, gooey, legendary. But thanks to Buzz Cooks, you don't need a plane. No East or West Coast food court lane. You can make this magic right at home. One bite and you'll never roam. So like, share, subscribe today. New videos Wednesday and Sunday. Hit that bell, don't delay. Now let's get cooked in Buzz Cook's way. cut slices, that's the speed. American cheese goes down first, provolone next, flavor burst. But wait right here, this is the trick, the creamy filling that makes it stick. Cheddar mixed with cream cheese smooth, that's the magic in the groove. Put the lid on, press it tight,